Hi everyone, today we'll be making DIY snow globes. These are a really great craft and make for a cool gift idea. All you'll need are mason jars, glycerin, cool water, a hot glue gun, figurines or laminated pictures, and glitter. First start by taking off the lid of your mason jar. Then pick out whichever figurine or laminated picture you want and glue that to the top of your lid. Next, you can pour in your cold water into the mason jar, making sure that it's full so then once it's flipped over, it remains full. And then add just a few drops of glycerin. Next, all you'll need to do is add your glitter, and this will act as our snow in our snow globe. And then you can twist your lid back on. Finally, shake up your snow globe to make sure the glitter is getting all throughout and looks like falling snow. And there you have it, there's your finished snow globe. You can try these out with different pictures or colors. Thank you for watching.